Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to apply for a New Mexico Business Tax Identification Number, or BTIN, using the Taxpayer Access Point, also known as TAP. We'll go step by step through the online application, including how to register for gross receipts tax, wage withholding, and if applicable, special tax programs like the Cannabis Excise Tax. Along the way, I'll also address some of the most common questions that taxpayers ask during this process. If your business is brand new and has never been registered in New Mexico, this demonstration is for you. If you already have a New Mexico tax ID but don't have a TAP login, you'll need to create a TAP account first, then follow the separate guide for adding accounts. To start, go to tap.state.nm.us. From the home page, scroll down to the business section and click Apply for a New Mexico Business Tax ID. You'll see an overview and eligibility and the information you'll need before you begin. Once ready, click Next. First, select your business entity type. For example, corporation, partnership, or nonprofit. Please note, if you choose nonprofit, you'll be asked to provide your IRS 501c3 determination letter. Next, enter your federal employer ID number or social security number depending on your entity type. Click Next. You'll then create your TAP login. Enter your business email address and confirm it. Click Next. Provide contact information such as your name and phone number. Decide whether to use your email as your login ID. Important note, once chosen, your TAP login ID cannot be changed, even if your email changes later. Set a password and select a security question for account protection. Click Next. Next, provide your legal business name, trade name if applicable, and mailing address. The system will attempt to verify your address, but it will accept unverified addresses as long as the zip code is included. To verify the address, click Verify Address. To confirm the address, click Save. You must also provide a physical address. This cannot be a P.O. box. If you do not enter a physical address, the system cannot generate a registration certificate. If your physical address is the same as your mailing, you may click Yes. If not, click No and enter your physical address. Add your business officers or owners by clicking the Add Officer hyperlink. You can enter their identity information, title, phone number, email, and home address. To verify the address, click Verify Address. To confirm the address, click Save. To save the officer's information, click Add. You may add more than one officer. To continue, click Next. Enter your business start date and answer the short questionnaire about your operations. Select your accounting method, cash or accrual, and choose your filing frequency. Typically, monthly, quarterly, or semi-annual are the most common. Then click Next. TAP will ask whether you pay wages. If yes, it will automatically generate a wage withholding account. If not, you can select No. Next, you'll choose non-wage withholding by clicking Yes or No. If you're engaged in selling tangibles or services in New Mexico, you will select Yes, and TAP will generate a gross receipts account. You'll then be asked about special tax programs. Examples include fuel, tobacco, and cannabis excise. Click Next to see additional tax programs. For cannabis businesses, you must already hold a cannabis license issued by the Regulation and Licensing Department. You'll be asked to enter your license number, start date, cannot be earlier than April 1st, 2022, and upload a copy of your license. Remember, your cannabis excise account start date must match your license start date. To continue, click Next. Next, click Find Code. Enter keywords applicable to the business activity. Select the code that best matches your operations. You can add a secondary activity if needed. Provide a short but descriptive explanation of your business activities. This helps the department review NTTC's non-taxable transaction certificates request later. To continue, click Next. Attach any required documents such as cannabis license, then review your application details carefully. At the bottom, sign electronically. Click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation number immediately. Within a few minutes, you should be able to log back into TAP with your new credentials. On the first login, you'll set up two-step verification using either text message or email. Once complete, You'll see your accounts listed, such as gross receipts, withholding, and cannabis excise, along with your BTIN. That's the full process for applying for a New Mexico Business Tax ID using TAP. If you have questions at any point, you can reach the department's call center at the number provided on the TAP confirmation screen or email the address listed there. Thank you for watching and the best of luck with your new business.